this video, I am taking you through my process of setting up this planner for August. This is the Carpe Diem Live Simply Spiral Planner. So keep watching. Okay, so let's jump right in. We're starting with the monthly spread, and I'm really happy that August starts on a Thursday, so I've got that big space of 4 squares at the top of the left-hand page. I'm going to put a few squares in there and make a little cluster. So don't think the squares are just for the days of the month. I actually prefer to put them in the squares that don't actually have a date attached. It's a fun way to fill up those squares that are otherwise just blank. This planner is dated, so all the numbers are in. You don't have to go to the numbers tablet and add them in. But you can if you want to, because the numbers tablet does have matching colors. A little design tip here: if you want to add a sticker to your page but you don't want it to take up the whole square or cut into your writing space, then put it on the intersection of the boxes like I did with these 3 flowers. The boxes will be left open with lots of room to write, but the flowers make it look a lot prettier. Like I mentioned with the number sticker tablet before, most of the sticker tablets that have sort of basic planner stickers will have colors from all the collections. So there you saw me lining it up with the tabs, because the tabs have all the colors from this collection. That way I can easily find a color that will match. If you have an event or activities that are going to span a couple of days, you can line washi over those days so that you can connect those days together, so that activity becomes one unit over those few days. You could then add a label sticker to write in the name of the activity. I mentioned this in a video I did a while ago with 21 ways you can use washi in your planner, so I'll link that in the card above here now. Next week I have a new washi video coming out, so if you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you are, and that you have all notifications turned on so you won't miss that new washi video, because there's some great tips coming in that video. If a flag or any sticker is too long, you can always cut it. You aren't obligated to use a sticker the way that it comes. This one, for example, it was a flag, it was too long, so I cut it off, and then the piece that I cut off, that I just put down on the 28th, I cut a triangle piece out of that. I made a new mini flag out of that piece. Okay, so that's it for the monthly spread. Let's move on to the weekly. So the first thing that I wanted to do here was to put this beautiful floral washi along the bottom of the pages to give it a border. And then I'm going to add some boxes and labels to the top of the page to make a different kind of border that'll actually be functional. And I can use that to add different to-dos or highlights or activities that are going on during this week. on to this cute little flappy tippity thing. I don't know what to call it. Is it a tip-in? It's just a flap. I don't know. It's cute. The only reason I made it was purely decorative, and it's time to decorate it. I really like this Enjoy, but it seems sort of lost there by itself, so I wanted to have a frame to go with it. So I hummed and hawed and looked around and finally decided on this one. It took me a while to figure out what to do with the front of the little flap, and then I decided to layer a bunch of different phrases and words, and it turned out really cute with that little fussy cut heart. When I was decorating the page that go with the flap, I wanted it to look good when the flap was closed, but also when it was open. So I made sure that whatever I did looked good both ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed setting up this planner because everything is so pretty. Don't forget you can go back to last week's video for all the little add-ons that I added, like these ribbon bookmarks, this pocket here, which you didn't see in this video, the elastic holding the book together, and there's also this bookmark in the front for birthdays. If you like this kind of video, I do process videos quite often on this channel, so make sure that you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, there's a big red button down below. Also hit that notification bell because that will make sure that YouTube shows you all of these videos so you won't miss a thing. Coming up next week is that washi video, so you want to be subscribed, you want to have the notifications on to make sure you see it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you can't wait for the next video, there are 2 videos here that you can watch. In the meantime, have a fantastic day and happy planning.